Hi everybody, it's Kevin from Sticks and Stones. I know you haven't seen me in a while and I've been trying to put videos on, but for some reason or another I've had my YouTube account suspended. Sticks and Stones is still up, but it was an old account I don't even use. I haven't used in years. I have no idea what happened. I got no explanation, but I can't sign in to my regular YouTube account, so I can't edit or upload videos. So I'm trying to do it from my phone now. Because the site is still up, but I can't sign in to load my videos or answer you guys or anything like that. So I want to see how this works. I'm still trying to figure it out and fix it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to start a whole new website or a whole new channel somehow. I don't know. I can't sign into any Google products, it's telling me. So anyway, to show you what I've been up to, it's good to see everybody. I miss you guys. But let me see if I can show you guys what's going on here. What I've been doing anyway. I've been making owls and got a wicked mess here, but you know, I'm still wood carving owls, and I just got a lot of stuff in here that I've been trying to put together. And like I said, I'm gonna try and figure this out. This is kind of like a test video. So we'll see what happens. If it uploads, I'll just try to do videos from my phone and see if I can at least directly upload them so you guys can keep getting content, okay? But for now, I'm just checking in and hoping this video goes on. So we'll see what happens. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.